Traders, it's Jason with Jenkins Risk Management. We're doing an update. We had our meeting today on our crypto team, and I wanted to talk about our sales and profit taking here on Monero. Now, anybody that's long this had a nice day today, but I want to talk about the process. It's one thing just to say, oh, I like this coin for this reason, chase a headline, you buy something and it goes up. When you have a process and you work that process, I want to show you the consistency. So this is Monero. This is the last three buys we had here. And the reason we're buying is with the cycles, and then we're playing this in a contrarian trend. This is a intermediate term, was a range trade, and then rolled to an intermediate term down trade. One of the easy ways to see that is by looking at the lower highs. See all these lower highs relative to each other. Okay, and then here you finally got a lower low right here. Okay, so some people will look at this and they say, oh no, it's bearish, I'm not going to buy. But this is essentially an intermediate term down trade within the big picture bull market. So you have to kind of learn how to buy into these intermediate term down trades and work your positions. So this position's lighter. This add was lighter, this buy. This buy was more aggressive. That brings the average cost down. But we had a huge day today on this particular token. And that's what it's about. It's having a multi-durational model. So you're trading, you're not just looking at one duration. You're looking at the near term or day trade. You're looking at the intermediate term or swing trade. You're looking at the long term time frame. And so when you can kind of put all three of those together, put those three time frames together, you can put together some nice trades. So this is us taking profit here this morning. Now, I will just say on this, the near-term chart here, so we took profit up here. There's probably some people that sold better levels. Not a bad place if you want to be aggressive or you want to play this on a smaller time frame to be long right here. You know, we're going to keep a core long piece. We only took off like a half or a third of what we're long. So, but here is not a bad place to rebuy. You know, had we taken some off up into this candle here, I'll be rebuying here for sure. But I think I'll wait. I mean, if I cut 3/4 of my position here, I'd be buying this back. But we still have a good amount long. So if this continues higher, that's fine. If we pull back to here, where this kind of took off from, I'm gonna buy back what I took off right there. So this is our add and reduce method. But this is not a bad place here at the bands. We call this the wave formation bands right here. This is a pretty good spot. And look for a move back into these highs and then even to a higher high. So nice day today on Monero. I'll show you guys, you know, this is what we do in our chat room. We're signaling trades and talking about different tokens in the market. But you can see here, we're discussing different speeds, blockchain time speeds, looking at number of transactions. But then here's us talking about we're buying more Monero. Great moves on Dash and Monero. This was Monday, July 31st. We were nibbling and buying more. This is not just me. These are other guys on the team. Mark here is almost to a full position. He was buying. I was nibbling again. We were signaling buy more. I was August 14th. And then boom, taking a third of our gains. And then selling more. So it was a nice day today. You can see here, this is our position. I mean, we're long from 44 up almost 100%. So another nice trade. And guys, it's again what I said at the beginning of the video. This isn't just about getting lucky and chasing a headline, or this is about having a process. Okay, these are all our positions. We only have 2 positions that are out of the money. So we're signaling on all these different coins. It's got to have a process. You got to have a model. So if you guys are interested in learning this, I can teach you it. This is 10 years of me trading professionally that I teach a 9-hour video. It's a great value. You can come check us out at jenkinsrm.com. I guess I'll show you that real quick. jenkinsrm.com. All right, there's me. You can, a little bit about me or about my background. You can find that on the site. There's a lot about the model. But we train traders. We trade together. We have a prop room. We trade Forex. That's this trader funding program. We have real-time alerts. This is the trading course, but this is the crypto team. So you can join in our chat. You get training on the model and our process. We go over risk, we go over analysis, we go over execution, and then we trade together on a swing time frame and a long-term time frame. So this is the easiest way to get involved. If you want the actual training to learn the model, this is a great value right here. And then if you're interested in group coaching on a more mentorship basis, both on trading and trading, but also the psychology of trading. There's so much more to learn, guys, when you have a coach, and you can, instead of going down all the dead ends that I did that end up costing you money in markets, you can kind of stand on my shoulders. So that's what that's about. So anyway, guys, come join us. Look forward to seeing some of you in the room in the morning, and have a great rest of your evening.